Okay, let's look at some more words. So, because is like why. Oops. Why? 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 Why are you learning Spanish? Because it is a useful language to learn. Why are you learning English? It is very international. I am teaching, well, why are you teaching English? Because I want you to master English and discover the world. Why? Because. Because, the reason why behind something. I am standing here wearing red suspenders because I'm teaching English. Why am I teaching English? Because I am good at it. I have been teaching English because it's a good business to have. Very good. But, like, but, I teach English, but I don't teach Russian. I don't teach Chinese. I can speak English, but I can't speak Portuguese. I can't speak French. I can speak English, but I can also speak Spanish. But, I have a red pen, but it will run out of ink eventually. What? It is winter here, but I am very warm. Whew, very warm. And before, so we had after. After, what comes afterwards? Like after. But then we have before. But like what was first? Before the lesson, I was planning out the lesson material. Before recording, I was reading. I was reading Lord of the Rings before I gave the lesson. I clean the whiteboard before I write the new words. Before I write the next lesson. Makes sense. I clean myself, I have a shave before teaching the lesson. Because I want to be presentable on the video. The video is going to be around for a long time, and I want to be clean. I want to be presentable. But I have to be consistent. Same clothes, same style, same hair, same glasses, same presentation style. And by the way, or by the time, so because, but, before, by the time, so before a certain time. Before a certain time, yes. I want to learn Spanish by the time I go to Madrid. I'm going to start learning Portuguese by the time I've mastered Spanish. Yes. By the time I start learning Russian, I would have mastered Portuguese. Yeah. Or maybe I'm thinking of starting to learn Arabic by the time I finish Spanish. Because a lot of people speak Arabic. And, well, because more people speak Arabic than they do Portuguese. Ah. Yeah. So because why things happen, but, like showing a correction, I'm going to learn Spanish, but I need to also know Portuguese. I can teach English, but I don't teach Chinese. Before, what was first? I was cleaning the whiteboard, cleaning, before I gave the lesson, before I recorded the lesson. Yeah. Makes sense. And by the time, before a certain time. So by the time the day is finished, no, by the time I finish the videos, I will begin uploading them. By the time you watch this course, by the time you are learning the lesson, I would have already recorded more courses. I would have already started more lessons. By the time you watch this, I've already finished this course and started the next one and recorded more, because I have loads of ideas and plenty of ink. But when I run out of ink, when I have no more ink left in all my pens, I'm not sure what to do. Okay, right. How cool is that? Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.